And we have 3 prizes. We're going to start off with the sample pack that the Olive Oil Emporium gave me for the draw. So let's just see. Let's see who's going to be the lucky winner here. So the Summer Networking Bash there's like 1,000+ people in Toronto, Atlantis, all entrepreneurs. There's workshops. Jennifer Beal did a great job with that. So let's see who we're going to have. Let's see who the lucky winner is. Gershon Pick, who seems to be a technical writer, an IT consultant, internal controls training, etc. So congratulations, Gershon Pick, for winning the sample pack. And we're going to mail that out shortly. So the other one, the second prize, is actually donated directly from the Olive Oil Emporium. It's $30 gift certificate. And depending on where you live, you can go to the location either on Bayview or St. Clair, or you can look at the website. There'll be a card in there in the gift certificate envelope. And you can call in your order. So that's what you want to do. So let's see who's the lucky winner of the second prize. Let's see here. Let's do this one here. Ellen Harty. So president, and it looks like it's chocolate, to do with chocolate. So congratulations, Ellen, for winning the prize number 2, $30 gift certificate from the Olive Oil Emporium. So just put that there. So for our grand prize, so this is something that the members who participated at the Summer Networking Bash yesterday put together. We all put in money to get this gift certificate, and let's see who the grand prize winner is going to be. It is going to be Frank Durzo from Innovation Initiative. So congratulations, Frank, for winning our grand prize for attending the Summer Networking Bash. And we're going to be in touch with you shortly. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by the table. We do have your card. We're going to send you out information, especially at our next upcoming meeting, which is August the 17th here in Toronto. So have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions on the Holistic Chamber of Commerce, it's Cheryl Millette, Toronto Midtown Chapter, and it's holisticchamberofcommerce.com. Just go to the chapters, and you'll be able to find our chapter page there and see our upcoming meetings and so forth. Or go to cherylmillette.com, and then you'll be able to connect through me with that way. So have an awesome day, and we'll look forward to hopefully connecting with you soon. Bye for now.